for all of us students, not very many of us know about an event that Notre Dame hosts called the Culinary Festival. It's actually something your parents probably go to because it's only for those over 21. And did you know that our very own baking club is going to have a booth at this event? Notre Dame senior and president of the baking club, Talia Seifert, and moderator Miss Jean spoke with us about what they're going to do to prepare for this year's event.
Hi, my name is Talia Seifert and I am the president of Baking Club.
And I'm Mrs. Jean, I am the moderator of the Baking Club.
It's one of the biggest clubs on campus with 120 people, and it's an honor to be running it. We wanted to tell you a little bit about the Culinary Festival. Last year was the first year that Baking Club has ever had a booth there, and it's a really fun event where parents and teachers can come and socialize for the school.
And this year we are doing two types of desserts. We're doing a Oreo chocolate dipped with a fleur-de-lis and a mini pumpkin spice cupcake with a cream cheese frosting.
And just so you know, I'm actually part of the club as well as the things that we bake, and OMG, Gabby, are they delicious. The festival happens next Saturday, November 10th, and here's the fun part. Just because we're not allowed at the event doesn't mean that we can't sample some of the yummy treats they're making. So next Friday, November 9th at lunch, the first 100 students to make it to the cafeteria will receive a free treat. So set those reminders in your phone, and also remind your parents to sign up for the Culinary Festival by going to ndpsaints.org/culinaryfest if they haven't signed up already.
I hope you guys enjoyed these morning announcements, and we'll see you guys later.